Are you a student looking for a credit card that helps you travel while managing your expenses? The SIC Airplane Visa credit card for students might be on your radar, but is it actually worth applying for? I tested it, so you don't have to, and here's my honest review. The main attraction of this card is Airplane points. Every time you spend, you earn points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and even experiences. For students who travel or plan to in the future, this is a huge perk. For example, a round-trip flight within Canada can cost as few as 15,000 points if you redeem strategically. That's essentially free travel for everyday spending. Earning points is straightforward. You typically earn 1 point per dollar on most purchases, and some categories, like groceries or gas, may offer bonus points depending on promotions. Even small expenses like coffee or textbooks add up over time. One of the biggest advantages of the student version is the lower annual fee, or in some cases, no fee at all. This is perfect for students who want to start building credit without paying high yearly costs. Additionally, the card helps you build a credit history, which is crucial for future financial milestones like loans or bigger credit cards. Security and convenience are solid. The card comes with contactless payment, purchase protection, and access to SIP mobile banking app. You can track your spending and points easily, making it simple to budget and avoid overspending. Most people get this wrong by assuming that points are only valuable if you travel a lot. Even if you don't travel monthly, airplane points can be saved and redeemed later, giving you flexibility. Also, using points for flights during off-peak times maximizes their value. The downside: interest rates are standard for student credit cards, so carrying a balance isn't ideal. Also, while the card is great for travel rewards, it doesn't offer cash back, so if that's your priority, another card may be better. In conclusion, the SIC Airplane Visa credit card for students is perfect for students who want to earn travel rewards, build credit, and manage spending efficiently. It's low cost, flexible, and a strong first step toward financial independence. Subscribe for more credit card reviews, student finance tips, and travel rewards hacks to make sure you're getting the most out of your money.